Yes guys, how's it going? Hope you're well. I'm just walking through the clothing hall of the Canton Fair and came across this really cool booth which is specializing in outerwear, winter clothing, fashion clothing. But if you look at it, it just looks like a normal, ordinary booth. And like coming down the hallways like this, we're in hall 3.1 and clothing has got another 2-3 halls like this, another few floors like this, and many different booths that kind of look the same. So when you walk past a company like this, sometimes it might be easy to just dismiss them and walk past. But I want to go in, ask a few questions and really identify what their key strengths are as a factory. So let's go in, check them out and have a look at JXD. Hi, how are you? My name's Kian. Nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Janet.
Janet, lovely to meet you. So Janet, I was walking past your booth and I came across some of your garments and I thought, okay, cool, everything looks nice, stylish. But I'm sure there's a deeper story and I want to learn really what are the strengths of your factory that the audience can kind of learn from and what sort of questions they should ask when they want to work with someone like you. So I noticed that you have 20 years experience. So your factory's been established for more than 20 years then, right?
Yeah, yes, because my father is founder. Yeah, so when I graduated from the university, you have been working with our family business.
Amazing. So many years of experience. And to be honest, the first thing that caught my eye was the certification. So you've got BSCI, you've got Global Recycled Standard, GRS, you've got Responsible Down. And that is the first thing I look for any clothing factory or any factory in general that I want to work with. One, that you have responsible standards, and any factory which has audits, it means that they really care about compliance and about quality. You can be relaxed knowing that they have all the necessary standards and you're going to have no quality issues and the factory is going to be operating at a very high level. So the GRS is the recycled standard, so that means all the garments that you offer here, you can use recycled materials, right? Yeah,
sure. For the fabric, for the polyfill, all is by the recycle. Yes, it's no problem.
Amazing. And then that's an important thing to ask as a customer, whether you want just normal materials or if you want recycled materials. And then to get the price point that you want, whether it's 100% polyester or nylon or spandex or the down feathers or the fake down feathers, there's a lot of things that we can tweak to get the price that we want. So you have some really cool garments here. You got a nice waterproof jacket here. I like this one. Let's take a look at this. This is more of a winter style. And what is cool is you have this like fleece lining. But what also really caught my eye is the quality of stitching. The stitching is very high quality, and that's something that it's like hard to tell when you're analyzing a factory online, but when you see them in person, the quality of their stitching ultimately is the quality of their workmanship, and that just means less returns and higher quality. So this is real down feathers insulation or fake down?
Oh, this one is fake down. We also can do the real down, best for our customers' request. But for this one, it's our own design. So you can see every piece in our booth is all by our own design. This is our advantage. I want to give the very nice and fashion styles to all of our customers.
Yeah, so that's a really good point. I'm glad you mentioned that about you have designers in-house, because a lot of people come up with their own designs, but you actually have in-house designers in your factory, right?
Yeah.
So if you have an idea for a product and you're like, right, okay, I like this, but I want it to be for next season's collection, can you offer me some suggestions to improve the design? That means your factory would take care of that, right?
Yes, we're very strong for this one. We can change something by AR, and it's so quickly. What do you want? You tell us, and we will show you the new models. Yeah, it's more quickly. Yes.
Amazing. And when you look at a garment like this, what would be the FOB price of this?
This is based on the quantity. It's very important. Yeah. If based on quantity, maybe for this winter jacket, our price is from the 25 to 35. It's based on different quantity.
And what would be the starting quantity you would accept from a new customer?
As usual, 300 pieces.
300.
Yeah, color is better.
Okay, and those 300 pieces MOQ, is that because of fabric requirements or? or training your production line?
Yes, for the fabric, yes, it's make it is an extra cost for the fabric.
And then as a big factory, are you holding any materials in stock? Because 300 pieces MOQ, I assume you can split across like different sizes, and most customers would say, okay, 300 pieces, no problem. But I know some customers maybe watching might say, you know what, I just want to try 50 pieces, or I want to try 100 pieces, and I know that order isn't very appealing for the first one, but would you then have like materials that you have in stock to say that like, okay, use our stock material and then you can take 100 pieces?
Yeah, if some popular fabric, we have some stock in our warehouse, it's no problem. Also, it's based on our own desire. Some customer, if we have the low quantity, also we can support him. We can use our models and fabric. We then just to put the labels.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, it's workable.
And out of interest, what are the main markets that you supply?
You mean our customer?
Yeah. Like which countries is your main export?
Yeah, it's for the Europe. Yeah, it's a premier brand. It's for Germany, Holland, France, Spain, like that. We also work with Canada.
Okay, perfect. So premier brands. What type of brands do you work with in these countries?
I hope to keep a secret for my customer.
I'm glad you said that, and that was a quick test, because like the factories which actually work with big brands and big companies don't actually reveal who those companies are, but it's the factories which don't work with the big brands who say, yeah, we manufacture for these guys, we manufacture for Dior, we manufacture, and really those big brands won't allow you to say who you manufacture for. So yeah, well done, that's awesome. And so, okay, so we said the price of this was around $25. And for anyone watching, right, if that pricing is workable for you, great. If it's not, what I would always suggest is ask the factory for the bill of materials, because you've just seen this like jacket in a video, but you don't really know like what's the filling, what's the material, how many different like compartments it's got, the type of zips that it's got, whether it's local zips or it's YKK. And when you get a bill of materials, you can take a product which is $25 and you could maybe take it down to $18, which could be your target based on what are the materials of the garment. And that's something that you can do working directly with Janet. So you got some other items here as well which look really nice. This one caught my eye. It's a nice little winter waterproof jacket, but quite stylish as well. So would you say like most of your customers are fashion customers?
Yeah, it's fashion. Some customers sport. Even we will do some skin collections, but it's also a fashion skin collections. So I think most customer brand is looking for something new. So its brand is strong for sport, but they want fashion in sport.
Okay.
If some customer is strong for the fashion city wear, but they want and the sport details in their new products. So we like to do that. So we also like use the sweater and with the down jacket to make it together. Yeah.
Okay, Janet, so from our brief conversation so far, what I've learned is that you're more than 20 years in business, you're a family business, you have all the correct certification for your factory and for your products, you have low MOQ, you're willing to use stock materials to give customers the MOQ that they want. You have an in-house design team, so you can design the products for the clients as well. Pricing is negotiable based on the materials that the customers select. You supply premium brands in Europe, and you don't reveal who those brands are, which is a very, very good sign of a top factory to work with. And this is why it's so important to come into the booth and ask these types of questions, because like walking past, you just see some nice garments and you're like, oh, they look cool. But if certification is very important for you, if premium quality is very important for you, if low MOQ is important for you, you can do all of that with Janet. But what do you look for in a new customer when they come to the Canton Fair? What makes you think that's a brand I want to work with?
Yeah, so most customer come here always say, oh, I look around the whole days, I found you are different, you are special because your style is new, we can't find a similar one. We want to give our customers something new and make their business is growth. Yeah.
And one thing for me is that like whenever I select a new supplier, I'm looking for a supplier to do a long-term business with, not just like one order and we're finished. It's like we have to grow together. I'm looking to work with you for the next 3, 5, 10 years. And the biggest appealing thing for me was when you said that you're part of a family business and your father started the business and then you've taken over. So like this business is in generations, in your family. So like I know that you will really, really look after the customers. And I also came from a family business. I learned the business from my father, and a lot of the big factories that I've worked with, when I go to meet with them, see the old boss and we go for dinner, it just creates such a nice environment, a nice relationship that like when you come into this booth and you talk to Janet, you're actually talking to the decision maker of the company and the owner of the company, and that's so different to like working with a very, very big company but dealing with like one of 20 sales assistants. So that's a really, really important factor.
Yeah, also for my father tell me, yes, the truth is very important. So a new customer, we will give them assurance for the service, for the quality and for the delivery time. If delayed more than 5 days, we will give them penalty or discount, and we will keep everything is on time.
Yeah.
So I think we can the new customer can trust us. Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
So if anyone wants to reach out to Janet, I've got your name card here. That's Janet's company information, and I'm going to put it in the description of the video as well, and all the information about the company is on the back side as well. So definitely reach out to Janet, get your low MOQ, get your very good prices, get your designs done, get your fashion, get your outerwear. Janet, it's a pleasure to meet you, and thanks so much for taking the time to be on the channel today. Take care and all the best.
Thank you.